Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos, and click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views is 28,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $84. Monthly income is $2,520. Now his annual revenue, this is going to be an estimate. His income is $30,240. Now YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $16,632. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.